Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add logic to a record type. So this allows you to do a little bit of programming to make things a little bit more automated inside of Uinta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the orange plus button in the bottom right corner to open up my select record type. I'm then going to click the pencil icon to edit my record type options here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the sidewalk option, and you can see here I have several different options. So what I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to be adding logic to this form. So I'm going to head to the last tab here where it says logic, and I'm going to click on the add logic button here at the bottom of the screen. So what I can do is I'm going to first set my if conditions. So if the following conditions are met. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a field of date and time. So I'm going to set a date interval that is going to be my first condition here. And I'm going to select a date here. I'm going to use the current date of June 20th when this video was filmed to an end date of the 20th of June as well. I can add another condition here. So it's if these two conditions are both met. My field I'm going to select as location, and my comparison is going to be contains, and I'm going to put in Calgary where I am located. Once I have that added, I'm then going to select my next option here, which is going to be then. So I then do the following actions. So if my two conditions are met, I then want to do this action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my action, not as show, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the set style option selected here. I can then select a symbol, color, and icon that I want to be using for this action. So in my case, I'm going to change my color from this gray color to an orange color. And instead of a pylon, I'm going to use a stop icon. Once I have that selected, so that is I have my if conditions, I have my then. So if my conditions are met, I'm then going to do this. I'm going to click my otherwise option. And so if those two conditions are not met, I'm then going to have an action of reset style. And if I want another action on top of that, I can add it here. But what I'm going to do with everything completed as I like is I'm going to click the complete button, and you can see I get a nice little summary. So if the following conditions are met, so if my date and time is between the 20th of June and the location contains Calgary, then I want to set a record style. That record style I defined, otherwise reset the style to what it was before. I'm then going to click on save, and my logic conditions will have been saved. And obviously you can do this a lot more customized to meet whatever your needs are. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you add logic to a form within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.